Hello everyone, this is Aurelia from Indian Trails Library Branch. Welcome to the Family Craft Friday. Our project today is gonna make your own tambourine. Our materials today is a tambourine, jingle bells, a piece of yarn, and markers. Now I'm gonna show you how to put the tambourine together. First, we're gonna start making a knot on the yarn. You have to leave like 3 to 4 inches, and then you have to make a knot on the yarn like this. Our next step is gonna be, we have to lace the yarn through the hole on the tambourine from inside to the outside, leaving the knot inside the tambourine. Once you put the string through the first hole, then you're gonna insert the 2 of the bells through the yarn, and then push the yarn through the other hole inside the tambourine. You just keep doing the same step until you go through all holes on the tambourine. Once you finish putting the bells through the hole, through the yarn through the holes, then you're gonna tie together the 2 edges of the yarn. After we finish tying the tambourine, I suggest then you make a double knot. That way it doesn't come out. You can always cut the excess of the yarn, or you can leave it this way. Now that we put the tambourine together, we're gonna decorate it. And you have these markers. You can decorate any way you want. You can create your own decorations. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do my decoration. This is how my project looks. You can always color the sides of the tambourine if you want to. This is our last program on video. In September, we're resuming our in-person programs. You are welcome to join us at the branch. We hope you enjoy our program today. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.